Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you new ways on how to make money online. Here, you may learn how to earn $1,500 from Google by sending an email. This is free and available worldwide, so stay tuned. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So now that that's out of the way, let's get to this video. VFly is the first site you'll need to visit, and it's the one that will be paying us today. You may have heard of this website, but chances are you haven't because it's not well known. So bear with me as I explain. VFly is a website where you can purchase YouTube views. By the way, I'm not talking about buying fake views. Instead, you can get real views by using Google Ads, which effectively advertises your videos and gets more people to watch it. Let me be clear, you will not make money on YouTube. Thus, I will not advise you to make a video or something and then go to VFly and pay them to increase the amount of videos for that video. Nothing like that. As most of you know, the website will pay us, not the other way around. So I'm not going to go into the features of this website because they're irrelevant to us and our goal right now, and you can see what they have to offer for yourself. So without further ado, here is the first thing you should do. When you get to VFly, scroll down at the bottom of the page and click on Affiliates under the Explore section. So as you may have guessed, we'll be promoting this website as an affiliate. This program is, in my opinion, one of the best places to advertise as an affiliate today. If you have no prior experience or skills, this is an excellent place to start. To begin, let me explain why VFly is a website that only a few people know about. It has only received 70,000 hits in the last month, which is critical for promoting a well-known website. There's a significant probability that some of them have heard it previously, which means you won't get as many hits on your affiliate link and won't be able to make as much money. VFly's second distinguishing attribute is that it has a high level of Trustpilot ratings. Positive feedback is an advantage since it encourages visitors to visit your site. It's a lot easier to get someone to buy what you're selling than it would be otherwise. The most challenging period, especially when they have to invest a little more money with high ratings. But customers will be more willing to buy and you will be reimbursed anytime they do. Finally, the people who use the service are the most important aspect of it. These are people who want to start a YouTube channel, and there are already hundreds of millions of them. Thousands of individuals have already signed up and more are coming up every day, as you can see. Your customer base is nearly limitless, increasing your earning potential while also allowing you to earn passive income while doing nothing. We'll be able to use the website in conjunction with the tools we'll require. Before we proceed any further, it's vital to realize that each individual you suggest will not earn you a lot of money. This is due to the fact that VFly only pays 15% commissions, which isn't much. However, considering the other major benefits such as the virtually infinite consumer pool I described previously, I don't think this is a big concern. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Anyway, trust me when I say you'll want to join the VFly affiliate program once you've learned more about it and all of the perks it provides. To become an affiliate, please click here on the next page. You'll be asked to sign in, but if you don't have an account yet, you can do so here. You have the option of signing up using your Google account, which is obviously faster and easier, or with your email address, which takes a lot more information. To complete the procedure, enter your full name, email address, and password in the boxes below. Then retype your password in the box below, tick this box, and click sign up. Once you've joined into your new account, you'll be able to get your affiliate link, which will direct everyone who clicks on it to VFly, where you'll be rewarded if they make a purchase. The primary challenge right now is traffic, and even though I said you have an infinite customer pool, you'll still need to find people who want to start their own YouTube channel. This method of leveraging YouTube is one way to identify people who want to start their own channel. This is what you must do. Put how to gain more views on YouTube, how to increase your YouTube channel, how to develop a YouTube channel, or anything similar in the search box. You don't have to use these precise phrases. Anything close will do. In any case, YouTube will now supply you with a range of videos. The next step is to search for ones that are a little more recent. It should be 2 or 3 months old at the most. To manually search for recent films, click the filter section and choose this month. You'll need to open a few of them and read the comment area in either cases. These people who have all left comments on specific videos are all interested in starting a YouTube channel because aside from watching the video, they have probably taken time to write everything down. And there is a good chance that if you contact some of them, they will at least look into what VFly is all about. Individuals can be contacted via email or by reacting to a specific comment. The first option is marginally better, but it has a major problem in that not everyone's email address can be found. Scroll down to the About section of a channel's page. If you don't see an email address, you're out of luck. However, if you do, you can contact them, and what you'd say in an email or a reply is approximately the same. Go over all VFly's feature with them and explain them how useful it is for growing your YouTube channel and how genuine it is. Simply type something along those lines and respond to each of these individuals when one of them makes a purchase, which will undoubtedly occur over time. You'll make about $10, which is actually rather good. Furthermore, anyone who sees your comment with your affiliate link, not just the person you're talking to, may visit VFly, so this has a huge potential to make you a lot of money online and in a passive income. And you will learn a lot of money every time someone makes a purchase through your link, which many will. That's all there is to it, and that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next video.